everyone. In this presentation, we are going to learn about some of the metals and steel used in construction, their advantages and limitations. Let us see the advantages of metals used in construction. Since metals are having high strength and durability, they are widely used in modern construction materials. Also, they are recyclable and are sustainable to the environment. Metals are commonly used in construction, which includes steel, which is the most widely used structural metal. It's used for beams, columns, trusses, mostly in reinforcement and also in structural framework. And aluminium, we know that it is a lightweight, corrosion resistant material, widely used for doors, windows, roofing sheets, curtain walls and cladding system. And copper, it is highly conductive and is commonly used in electrical wiring and plumbing system. Other metals like zinc, cast iron and wrought iron are used for some specialized applications, which includes pipes, ornamental works, protective coatings and roofing materials. Metals are used in a wide range of construction applications like structural frames, roofing sheets, cladding systems, staircases, handrails, bridges, industrial buildings and transportation infrastructure also. Now let us discuss steel, which is the backbone of modern construction, we can say. It is an alloy primarily composed of iron and carbon, and it is known for its exceptional strength, toughness, durability and ductility. Because of these properties, steel has become one of the most important structural material in the world. There are several types of steel used in construction. Carbon steel, it is the most common type and is widely used for structural purposes. Then alloy steel contains additional elements such as chromium, nickel or molybdenum to improve the properties of the steel like strength and corrosion resistance. Stainless steel, having most wide application in commercial and residential purposes. Stainless steel contains chromium, which provides excellent resistance to rust and corrosion. It is often used as a structural features like in kitchens, hospitals and chemical plants. Tool steel, it is especially designed for manufacturing tools, cutting and shaping tools. Structural steel, it is also specifically produced for load bearing applications in building and bridges. Yeah, we'll go with the steel manufacturing process now. The process begins with iron making, where iron ore is converted into molten iron. This is the first stage, and next stage is steel making, may be carried out either using a basic oxygen furnace known as BOF or an electric arc furnace known as EAF. After steel making, the material undergoes refining to remove impurities and improve quality. Then the refined steel is then cast into desired shapes such as billets, blooms, slabs or rods, whatever it is. These products are further processed through rolling operations to produce structural sections, plates and bar. Finally, finishing stage. The steel undergoes finishing operations to enhance its performance and appearance. Some of the common steel finishing operations include heat treatment, galvanizing, protective coating and painting. These treatments are given for steel to improve durability, corrosion resistance and service life, ensuring that the steel structures remain safe and functional for many years. To conclude, wood, metals and steel are indispensable materials in the construction industry. Wood offers sustainability, aesthetic appeal and ease of use. Metals provide strength, durability and versatility. Steel serves as the primary structural material for modern buildings and infrastructure. As future civil engineers, we should understand the properties, applications, advantages and limitations of these materials, which will help us to make informed decisions during planning, designing and construction. Proper material selection ensures safety, economy, durability and sustainability in every project. Thank you.